All right, so the Buick sounds good. I love how she sounds. Jared struggles with the cackle, and when we were messing with the truck and put some Borla Pro XS mufflers on it, I got curious of what those mufflers would sound like with a big block that has a cam in it. So we ended up ordering a set of Borla mufflers to put on the Buick. Some V-bands I got off Evil Energy on Amazon. If you're in the market for, you know, fuel related stuff or even V-bands, Evil Energy is a good company. I have a bunch of their stuff on my car. Haven't had any issues. The Borla mufflers that we're using are the 40359 part number, which we'll put the link in the description below for both the V-band and then for the mufflers as well. So we are gonna see what this girl sounds like with these mufflers on. I'm kind of excited. All right, so we're gonna get the TIG welder out. We're gonna weld these V-bands onto the muffler so then it's easier to install on there wherever we want it. I'm gonna have Jared TIG weld it because I've been practicing, but I'm not ready to try to TIG weld stainless. But I'm scared to do it. I'm worried about giving it a shot and then me blowing through it.
What do you think I'm worried about? The exact same thing.
All right, so we're gonna get to that. I did not hit the drive shaft. Okay, I'm good.
And your
hanger will still work?
Your hanger will still work.
Oh yeah, it has plenty of room. All right, do you want me to get this one off?
Yeah.
Okay. You can just weld it like that.
Stupid.
Yeah. This is why Jared doesn't like me leaving things on the floor.
It's tripping over everything. All right.
Board? Wood?
Yes. I got it.
Got it?
Yeah. I should get one of them jack post things.
Right. That'd be kind of handy. Well, but that one was a little loose. Maybe that's what the noggin was.
Nope, pretty sure that's up here. Which I guess if you wanted to take that off, then we could address that.
It'd be kind of nice. I mean, it's not doing anything, but it's just annoying. That's why I thought we were initially gonna take it down. I could bang that. All it needs is a good bam, and it should be good.
Or you could use a hole saw, drill that piece out, flip it upside down, re-weld it, and it would have a natural...
You know, that sounds like amazing.
Mm-hmm.
But a nice hit of the hammer sounds a lot easier.
I don't know why that pipe burnt through 3 blades.
I know. Hey, it makes me kind of feel better about myself though. I think that is stainless though.
I would say, seeing as that I don't have anything that will cleanly cut a straight edge on that, I'm not going to be able to weld the V-bands on it. Because that, to TIG weld it, it has to be like perfectly straight. I'm not going to be able to do that cutting it with a Sawzall.
Okay. All right. So, as you saw our issues with cutting these, I can see the paint's coming off of here, and I had forgotten that we used stainless, and we don't have anything here to cut this nice and beautifully, like that's gonna be needed on the V-band. So we're gonna just weld the mufflers up.
What is that? Oh.
That's the Monty's transmission fluid.
Thing.
On there?
Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure it's level, so it doesn't look like
Poopy?
Yes, poopy.
I mean, they look pretty up there though. Clears.
Ah!
You know what the fun part's gonna be?
What?
Well, actually, I think those downpipes are just regular steel. I don't think they're...
I have this stainless U over here.
Uh-huh.
I can cut turn downs out of this. All right, so while Jenna is finishing doing her mufflers over there, I'm gonna make up a set of turn downs out of this piece of U-bend. To do that, I'm just gonna take myself a square here and square off the end. Basically, we're just looking for a straight line here. So I'll do it on one side, kind of eyeball it, how it's gonna look. All right, we'll flip it over, we'll mark the other side. Make sure you went off the same side of the square. That would be helpful. Otherwise, your marks aren't gonna line up. All right, now, just kind of fill in the dots. Imagine, if you will, a straight line through that. Looks fairly close. Now we shall cut it and hope for the best. Can I get some power, please?
Sorry.
Thank you. There's one. Get out our old belt sander here. And we'll just clean this up. File? Looks pretty good to me. All right, let's stick it on the car. All right, so it's a little too long to go in the car, so I'm gonna have to shorten it. Also gonna have to measure to see how long I need it. All right, looks like about 8 inches is gonna be the length from the tip to where it sits in the pipe. So, once again, I lost my marker. Eyeball this here, so 8 inches is about there. And if I want a nice round cut, flat cut that's not all, you know, wobbly, just take a hose clamp, slide that over your pipe, line it up with your mark, snug it up there a little bit, and most of the time they'll all but center themselves, but if you need to, you can adjust it. 4.5 on that side, you got 4 9/16 on that side. Oh, how did it shorten itself? Weird. 4 9/16. Snug up our clamp, and then we'll just mark that. Take our clamp off, and now we got a straight line around our pipe that we can cut. maybe I need to get 2 welding tables and definitely some more outlets. All right, now we'll just clean this end up. All right, so we got the new mufflers on, and they actually didn't turn out too hateful. They look nice up here.
I think they look pretty good.
Got the turn downs on there. We tried to make them kind of follow the angle of the anti-roll bar there. That one hangs just a little bit lower, but it's not hateful. And I did all right for an amateur welding stainless. Don't look too bad. So up front here, we still gotta, I have them kind of tacked on here. Still gotta take the pipes down so we can weld all the way around them, but they're not gonna go anywhere, plus they're clamped. Jenna will probably want to clean this exhaust back up, since the Buick likes to leak oil. It's got a nice little coating back here on it, but
Well, that's the struggle I have though, is like I'm gonna clean this and it's just gonna do it again, and I just don't feel like pulling that motor. It's because there's a dent that's dented right here, and I think it's causing, because you can see the oil pulling around.
yeah,
But I know it's leaking up from the heads.
it leaks everywhere.
Just a little bit. It's not that bad though. It looks worse than it is.
Anyhow, we also have to, so earlier in the video, Jenna was talking about hearing a knocking, and what it is, the drive shaft loop is hitting the H pipe right here, kind of sits on it. So we need to take the pipe down and make a little clearance there for that. Right,
Yeah.
a little clearance. So, but that's in the future. Right now, we just wanted to get those on there and see what it sounds like.
That sounds pretty good.
Yeah, but they didn't hear it yet.
I know. They're about to.
All right. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. So, you like it?
Yes. Yep.
Sounds good. Mm-hmm. You can actually hear yourself have a conversation in the car now.
Jared feels better in the car because he can hear himself.
I can also hear if anything else is going on, if the motor's making noise or something doesn't sound right. So that's
You do have a good point. That is a good point. It does sound a lot better outside of the car, like coming down the roads, like hearing, like getting it, laying into it. it's not as tingy and like, ah, you know, it's more of that low grunt like.
Do that again. No, it's just, it's got a very refined, very, I don't know, like tuned sound to it now. And plus
That
it's got
chest
that,
feeling.
that big block rumble to it with no drone, which is nice.
Yeah.
Anyhow, all right, well, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you back on the next episode of J2 Garage Works.
See ya.